Alright, today I have Airmoto Smart Air Pump. Now I bought this so I can pump up the tires in my vehicle, which loses air on occasion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this and we're going to talk about some of the features and some of the operations. On the back side, it talks about the applications that can be used with this Airmoto's Smart Pump. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the package. Airmoto, and there is a glossy package on the top of it. Just going to flip that back, and there is an instruction manual in there, user manual for the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. I'll probably look at this a little bit later, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go through the controls briefly. So let me go ahead and pull this out. You can see that right there. It is the Airmoto. In my hand, that is protective coating, and this is the tube that connects the Airmoto to whatever you're trying to pump air into. So the Airmoto to the side, the hose right next to the Airmoto pump, and I'm just basically going to pull out anything extra that's inside of the package. So I'm open this up right here, and inside is a cable. There is an attachment, needle attachment for the hose, and there it is right here. So this right here is the USB-C to USB go and this is used for charging up the Airmoto air pump right here. And we'll go over that in a second. And here are attachments for whatever you're trying to pump up. So the needle looking attachment, this is used for pumping up things such as a basketball, football, or things of that nature. It comes with a sleek looking pouch to carry the Airmoto in. And we talked about charging. You plug the cable into the Airmoto, and then there's a USB-C or USB, regular USB, that you use to plug into a USB socket. All right, you'll probably need to check the user manual so you know the appropriate voltage of the adapter that you'll be connecting it to. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting these attachments on, showing how they screw on to the tip of the hose, just like that. Very easily, very sound, and just twist it on just basically like that. I believe that attachment is for a Presta air pump socket. So the attachments go on easily. All you do is twist them through the thread of the hose. And to attach the hose to the air pump, you disconnect the cable, and then you take the hose with that side and simply screw it in side of the Airmoto. And you can see above that there's a sticker that says pull hose. That's where the hose goes in. And just simply go ahead, turn it on so you can see it goes on. See that? It shows the PSI. And it has recommendations for the different PSIs for different types of tires or things that you're pumping up. So you'll want to pay attention to that, and you also want to pay attention to the actual object that you will be pumping up. Say for instance, a tire for a vehicle would need a different PSI from the PSI that goes into a bicycle tire. And you can see I'm toggling along and showing you the different types of devices that get pumped up, just going through it. And you can adjust how much PSI, pressure per square inch, is inside of the device or object that you're pumping up. You can set the appropriate PSI on the Airmoto device. Okay, and so when you're doing that, you're just simply attaching the hose to the device that you want to pump up, and then pressing the button, and it will get to that precise PSI. So basically right now I'm just unscrewing the hose and showing it going back inside of the loop. Now you have to insert it properly so it fits in there properly. And I place it in there, and I have the attachment which I'm just going to keep inside of the bag. And that is the Airmoto Air Pump. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.